Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to shoot out a video here, quick one from the 2025 24-hour group build that was on Facebook. I don't remember who was hosting it off of Facebook, but I didn't make the deadline, and I actually had this thing done here for quite a while and have totally forgot about it. I put it in its case and put it up and was going to do a video, and I just kind of forgot about it. So anyway, typical NASCAR race car. Got the MSD boxes all detailed up. I was a big Michael Waltrip fan, so yeah, just definitely like Pennzoil car. But I went ahead and used the tester's actual hobby paint, and it's more of an orange yellow than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of a yellow, but oh well. Is what it is. But that's it. Got her finally done, and like I said, put her in the case and loving it. Another one in the wraps. So, alright guys, well hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it, and stay tuned for more really cool stuff to come. Got some more models I'm going to be doing videos here that are done, and RC stuff. So take care guys. Thanks. Bye.